Hi guys, I have my March monthly highlights for you today and I'm using this kit from GP Sticker Studio. I'm also using some washi tapes here on this side, which I've pulled out from my collection. I'm using a Pilot High-Tech C for my pen, and I always fill in my highlights in these MandyPlans printables inserts in my personal TN, and then I fill it out after the month is over in my Erin Condren. So let's get started. I'm putting up the monthly strips up at the top to cover up that March section and the days, and I am using her match paper, which is really nice and smooth. I love the palm print on this month's layout, which is why I chose it. It was my favorite out of all the layouts that I saw. And then after that, I'm actually going to move on to the first. I'm not using the other strip that goes in the days that aren't in the month because I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm going to do a washi banner there at the end after I fill out all the days. So the first thing I'm doing here is placing down a piece of washi from Simply Gilded. This is from her Candy Bows collection, and I like to pull in washi just to put as decoration to fill up some of the space. Usually there's not any rhyme or reason to it unless I'm marking out specific days, but for the most part it's just for decoration. On the first, it was exciting because I met Cynthia, Irene, and Marg, and so I used a Happy Munchkin to mark that. On the second, I got some 85 degrees sea salt coffee, which is one of my faves, and I used a coffee cup from Little Paper Co. to mark that, and to fill up the space at the top, I pull in some more Simply Gilded washi, and a lot of times I'll just rip it because I like how it looks more, like, less structured and just more casual, if that makes sense. On the 3rd, the Coffee Monsterz Co. came out with her birthday bundle, and I snagged one, which was really exciting, so I marked that with an emoji. Then on the 4th, I put down this flag of unicorn horn washi from Simply Gilded. I didn't know that it was shimmery, but now that I see it, I'm so glad I didn't trade it away because it's so pretty. I also put down this stacked dim sum sticker from Wonton in a Million because we went out for family dim sum that day, and that's so cute. Pretty sure my brother was away in college or at college on that day, so 4 is perfect. Although I think my sister's boyfriend was there too, so maybe 4 is not enough, but oh well, it's still really cute. On the 5th, I had me time in the morning, which was really nice, so I used a mask Terra from Pumpkin Paper Co. I also pulled in some more washi and this glittery laptop from Little Miss Paperie on the 6th because I worked on new designs. Again, to fill up some more space and add some interest, I pull in this polka dot or confetti washi, again from Simply Gilded. Most of these washi tapes, if not all, are from Simply Gilded, so yeah, I'll probably stop saying that now. Plus, you guys already probably know. On the 7th, I hung out with Carolyn and we had like a career coffee date and dinner, which is always really nice. So I pulled in one of these Carolyn bunnies from NSFW by CA, which is her digital shop with another Planet Girl, Allison. And I love using those to mark when we hang out because it's so cute. I also pulled in a wine sticker from Fox and Cactus. Then on Thursday, the 8th, I finally fixed my silhouettes, which were malfunctioning, so I was really happy about that. I did use the angry emoji at the silhouettes because I thought it was kind of funny. That is exactly how I felt when my silhouettes were malfunctioning before I fixed it. On the 9th, I put down some more Simply Gilded washi, and then this Planner Friends Make the Best Friends sticker from EricaGDesigns because, well, I don't quite remember what happened on that day, but it was Planner Friends related, so I put that down. On the 10th, I put down a flag with the house icon, both that came with the kit, because I hung out with my sister and some of her friends that day, and that was really fun. We went and got Korean food, and they looked through my planners actually, which was kind of cool. They thought it was cool, so that's nice of them. So I'm just filling that out, and then we're going to move on to the other side to the 11th. And I didn't really have a highlight down for that day, so I just whited out the text, and I put down some staggered washi strips. This gold glitter one is from Scotch brand. I got it at Target. It's one of my favorites. Like I said, I'm just stacking the washi, and then I'm going to put down the Daylight Savings Begin sticker, like event sticker that came in the kit. Then on the 12th, I got my nails done, and I got that unicorn hollow that I had, which was really pretty, and I really liked it. So I'm using the unicorn horn washi, of course, and then this nail polish sticker is from GP Sticker Studio. Then on the 13th, my sister and I went through the Starbucks drive-thru, and that was actually my first time going through a Starbucks drive-thru, so that was exciting. I am staggering some washi again, and then I use a Starbucks girl from Whimsical Cat Studio. She's so cute, and she's just holding a little frappuccino. Then on the 14th, I made some really cute NSFW by CA stickers and the Hot and Healthy stickers, one of them being this Lola girl from Banana Doodle's shop. And I did want to place that Hot and Healthy part right next to it, but like it didn't fit, so I decided just to place it at the top there. Then I used a blank label from the kit and wrote that I made cute stickers. I placed it on the top. I didn't want to cover up the dates because I knew I would put date dots down at the end, so I just placed it a little bit on top of the washi and spanning both days, which worked out because that took me multiple days to do anyway. Then on the 15th, I hung out with Carolyn again and I placed that bunny on top of a flag. I also put down some more bow washi at the top to fill up that space. On the 16th, I successfully subbed to the Simply Gilded box. So of course I had to use some sub box washi to mark that. This is from the March sub box. I also used a munchkin with the glittery washi tape, which is so cute and fitting, to mark that. On Saturday, I had a super relaxing morning. I made a mimosa and went in the bath and had a nice lush bath. So first I put down this event label for St. Patrick's Day. Then I placed down the mint and gold foiled bow washi from Simply Gilded. After that, I take a Bath Girl from Fox and Pip. She is probably my favorite Bath Girl sticker. She's holding a glass of wine, which is so perfect. And I decided to cover up one of the bows because I didn't want to cover up like multiple bows, if that makes sense. And I really like the way that turned out. Then on the 18th, I originally was going to use this box, but I decided not to because it would look too full with the staggered washi on top, like the one on the 11th. So instead I used a NSFW by CA. What is this? Tofu? Is it Tofu the kitty? Yeah. She has my name on it. She's so cute. I also placed a little bow from Simply Watercolor Co. there because I thought it was really cute. On the 19th, I had a delicious sushi lunch with my sister, so I placed this sushi sticker from Sincerely Kawaii over a flag. I also pulled in a little heart icon that came with the kit because we had a really nice time. On the 20th, we went to the gym and that was fun. I hadn't been to the gym in a while, so the first thing I do is white out the text and put down the International Day of Happiness label. Then I cut up, or I guess I cut up this washi first, this glitter washi, and I cut it up into a banner shape, so a flag on both sides. Then I put down the International Day of Happiness label. I also layer a berry from Grin and Bear It on top with the weights because that's exactly how I felt. I didn't want to do anything too crazy with the ankle, but it was still a good workout regardless. I didn't have a highlight down for the 21st, so I pulled in one of the full boxes. I love the full boxes in this kit. I wish I used more of them, but I try to only use it when I don't have a highlight, and that's only a couple days throughout the month. So on the 22nd, I placed down some more washi and this Starbucks coffee cup from Moonlight Paper Co. Jessica from J. Crew Plans was so sweet and sent me a Starbucks gift card after I got rejected at my interview. So that really made me feel so much better. So thank you, Jessica. And then on the 23rd, I binge read Harry Potter to make me feel better. So I pulled in two of these stickers. They're gold foiled. Actually, they are from the Harry Potter collab that Viv from Viv Loves to Plan did with Simply Watercolor Co. And I did mess up my writing, so I decided to cut one of the labels and cover it. Then on the 24th, I'm pulling in this washi from Simply Gilded, and this is actually to mark that my brother was home for spring break. I didn't realize he was home like for spring break. I thought he was just home for the weekend, so I only mark it until Monday. Later on, I realized, I was like, why is he home on a Monday? That's not a holiday. And then I realized that he was actually home the entire week. So I will fix that in a little bit, but for now I placed the house icon on top of a flag arrow, both from the kit, and I wrote my brother's name because it couldn't fit like Jonathan's home there, and I thought that was pretty intuitive. I did get dinner and drinks with Carolyn on that day, on Saturday, and again I used a bunny with a wine sticker from Little Paper Prints. On the 25th I worked on new releases, so I used an emoji to mark that. This whiteout, by the way, that I used is Tombow. It's from Amazon. I got the recommendation from Andrea from Scribble Prints Co. It's the same, I think, pretty much as the ones I got from Costco, just different packaging. So on the 26th, my sister and my brother, so my siblings and I, went to get dim sum together, and that was really fun. Sorry about my strand of hair in the corner. I usually pull my hair into a bun before I film, but sometimes there are stragglers. This is when I realized that my brother was home for the entire spring break, or the entire week for spring break, so I finished placing down the washi to mark out that chunk of time during the month. I did want to mark something private that I thought was on Wednesday, but it's actually on Thursday. But regardless, I pull in some of the mint washi from Simply Gilded and make a peekaboo fold over box that I then place down on Wednesday before I realize it's supposed to go on Thursday. I think my camera cut off on the part where I got Chick-fil-A with my siblings on that Tuesday. I do have Chick-fil-A stickers, but I haven't hauled them yet, which is why I couldn't use it. So instead I used a heart and an arrow. So on Friday, we went to get tacos, and this adorable taco sticker is from Happy Dia Stickers. Then on the last day of the month, I did order a Foxy Fix. I ordered an A6 size, so that was really exciting. I used a TN sticker it's a digital from Jasenia Printables, but I made it into a sticker. And now I'm just filling out the rest of that space. I didn't have a highlight for the 28th, so again, I staggered some washi. Then to fill up that top section there, I do the same thing with the arrow flag and the house icon to kind of continue on the space that my brother is home, just so I know what that is for. And thankfully there were a lot of house icons that came with this kit. Then the last thing I'm doing is placing down more washi in that empty box or the empty space on the 30th, and I pull in a clear bow from Simply Watercolor Co. I really love that. That looks really pretty. Now I'm moving on to the days that aren't in the month, and I don't know why I whited these out because they're going to be covered anyway. I don't know what I was thinking. But I've been doing this for every month, so I decided it would be nice to make it a continuous theme throughout the monthly spreads. So basically what I do is I take some glitter washi and then I place flags underneath and place that glitter washi over it. So right now I am working on that. I did super fast forward it because it takes me a while, especially with how large that space is this month. So while I do that, I'll talk about the giveaway that I have in every monthly plan with me, or monthly highlights, which is that I'm giving away all the leftover stickers I have from the kits I used in March. So this giveaway is open internationally. I think I'm going to have it open for 1 week, and then I'm going to choose a winner. So all you have to do is comment down below a highlight of your month of March. I know it's been a while, so I don't know. If you don't remember, just comment any highlight, I guess, in the past month. I will try to get April's out sooner. I'm going to do a printable kit for that one, so I should have it on hand as soon as the month is over, which by the time this video goes up, it will be May. So again, I'm just cutting the washi into flag shapes in different lengths and layering them over each other, under each other on the top, and then I place the washi back down. I love the way that looks. Washi banners look so good. Now I'm moving over to the sidebar, and what I've been doing each month is writing down a quotation or a mantra that helped me during that month. So first I white out the flag there, and to make it cohesive with the washi banner, I place down another glittery flag or banner here with the glitter washi. I did want to pull in another one of those gorgeous full boxes, so I placed it at the bottom because the quotation that I had in mind for this month wasn't that long. Then I put down a label to put down who said the quotation and pull in some of this gold foiled bow washi from Simply Gilded and a Harry Potter berry from Grin and Barrett. I did cover up that center bow there. So the quotation I used is from, I believe this is from the Chamber of Secrets. It is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are far more than our abilities. Spoken by the always wise Professor Dumbledore. And I decided to leave those spaces on the top and bottom blank. I do like a cleaner look for this month. Alright, here are the stickers I have left. Of course, I have to do a Viv wiggle because the foil is just gorgeous in this spread. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my monthly highlights. Don't forget to enter the giveaway with a comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.